Manchester United scored 44 goals last season. 44 goals last season, fam. My name is Rome. You're watching the Fourth Official. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe if you're brand new. Let's get into it, fam. We had 42 points last season. So what this man talk about good days are coming. I don't see it. I don't see it. Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Let's listen to this video.
I know you are very disappointed with me and very disappointed with the team. Secondly, I want to say thank you. We are very grateful for your support during the season, and I know that was really hard. In my first 3 games in charge, with 2 victories and 1 draw, I said to you, the storm is coming. Today, after this disaster season, I want to tell you, the good days are coming.
That man said the good days are coming, bro. The good days are coming. Have you seen any indication that the good days are coming? I haven't. I mean, I've seen glimpses watching the preseason games. I've seen them live watching the preseason game, but I don't see a signal or a sign that says the good days are coming. Last preseason game, shit, they go back to them old ways. I don't see it. But let's talk about the positives. Let's talk about what Manchester United has done so far. And at the end of the day, at the end of this conversation, we will see if Manchester United is really on the line, in line, and ready to get to get the good days back. However that is, get the good days. I don't know. But the first thing Manchester United has done, they got Matheus Cunha. Yeah, Matheus Cunha, fam. Newcastle, Tottenham, Arsenal asking about Matheus Cunha. He chose Manchester United. 15 goals, nice. Because we need them 15 goals. Guys, guess what? 44 goals all last season, bro. That makes sense. It makes no blow sense. We got Brian Mbeumo. 20 goals last season. The third best scoring goals last season, Brian Mbeumo. 7 assists. Listen, my man. Everybody asking about him in the summer transfer market. Tottenham, Newcastle again. Brian Mbeumo. You guys already know. You must already know. You heard about the drama between Manchester United and Newcastle. I don't know why they're trying to be a rival. Don't make sense. But look there. Benjamin Sesko from the Bundesliga. 13 Bundesliga goals. 5 assists. He's going to have Brian Mbeumo and Matheus Cunha behind him. You cannot say that's not going to wreak havoc in them boy defense. Complete havoc in them boy defense, bro. This is how it looks at the end of the day. Yeah? Benjamin Sesko, Brian Mbeumo, and Matheus Cunha leading the front line. Now, when you look at that front line, Manchester United has never ever done anything like this ever. That means they change out the entire front line, complete front line in one window. This one, Matheus Cunha, he was Alejandro Garnacho. That man where him level see my ankle. That man gone completely. Go on at Chelsea, I don't like you. Holland, whatever one name, gone completely. I don't like you. Right, attacking midfield, number 10. Now it will be Bruno, Ahmad, fluctuating through that, gone completely. Push Bruno back in the midfield. Tell Ahmad, go on back a right wing back. Guess who they there? Brian Embuemo. The front three is just absolutely deadly, bro. Absolutely just deadly. You cannot tell me that this team is not going to cause havoc next season. And to top it off, what you will find is that when you look at the rest of the team combined together, it looks very, very good. It looks very, very good. Because at left wing back, you have Dorgo. Central midfield, Bruno. Central midfield, Ugarte. Armeno, one of them. Right wing back, Ahmad. No, Ahmad is going to be the most deadliest of this team. Because not only can Ahmad defend, but when Ahmad go forward, with his low center of gravity, when him can go on left or right and beat a man, that, my friend, is going to be fun to watch, brother. It's going to be absolutely fun to watch. But let's not forget. Let us not forget. And I told you guys about this last video I made. I'm going to tell you again. Manchester United is interested in this little man called Baleba. Baleba, whatever you want to call him. I believe in Baleba. I'm going to tell you why. The very first time I saw that man play against Manchester United was 2 years ago. Against Kobe Menu. That man came off the bench and that man put him body upon Kobe Menu. Kobe Menu became a statue after that. That little Cameroonian bumble go up on the field and show Manchester United on that day that this is how we play football, brother. And since then, his trajectory has been upwards. Upwards. There's been, that man has not put a foot wrong. And every time we play Brighton, you can see him. You will see him. You have saw him. He has scored goal after goal for Brighton. And he's playing as a central defensive midfielder, bro. And carries sublime. He can dribble out from the edge of the box all the way to the second part of the opponent's field. This man has so much dribbles as a central defensive midfielder. It's crazy. Tackles, sublime. He is specifically fit for Ruben Amorim position. If you put that man at center defensive midfield or number 8, whatever you want to call him, and put Bruno behind him, that midfield is set. Because you have Dogo and Amado comes inside and help the midfield, so you have 3 in the midfield at all times. You have Cunha and Embremo who come back in the midfield. Again, always have to have 3 in the midfield. Listen, Ruben Amorim said the good days are coming. And this is what he meant. This is exactly what he meant when he says the good days are fucking coming, fam. Trust me, bro. If that man comes into our midfield, if Bayern make them black god fool them and make Manchester United buy this baller, it's done. It's long for the Premier League. It is long for the Premier League. It is long. I promise you that right now. Promise you this right now. It's already tricky. Get that front three. But if them get that midfielder, that defensive midfielder, because we know Ugarte can tackle, we know him can tackle, but him can't pass. We know him tenacious, we know him quick, but him can't pass. This second one has it in abundance. Passing, tackles, everything you need in a defensive midfielder is that, and many more to come, bro. So remember me tell you this. When Ruben Amorim say the good days are coming, trust me. Trust and believe. The good days are coming. People, bless yourself, bless up others. Manaz.